Strategy 21. Learning circles. Customer, ever wished learning felt less like a solo struggle and more like a shared journey? That's exactly what learning circles offer, a simple way to learn together and grow faster. Retention. Learning circles are small groups that meet regularly to share knowledge and ideas. First, they create accountability. When you learn with others, you stay committed. Second, they encourage collaboration. Everyone brings unique insights to the table. Third, they make learning social, turning study time into meaningful conversations. Engagement. 1. Active participation. You're not just listening, you're discussing, debating, and applying concepts. 2. Peer support. When challenges come up, you have a group to help you through. Strategy. Begin by choosing a clear goal, a book, a course, or a skill you all want to master. Next, set a simple structure, regular meetings, shared resources, and open discussion time. Strategy 22. Learning in a community. Scenario. Ever tried learning something alone and felt stuck? Now imagine having a group where ideas flow, support is constant, and learning feels exciting. That's the power of learning in a community. Task. Community. Learning means growing together through shared knowledge and experiences. First, create a space for collaboration, online forums, study groups, or local meetups. Task. Second, set common goals. Everyone knows what they're working toward. Third, encourage open communication. Questions, feedback, and discussions keep learning active. Action. 1. Participate actively, share your ideas, ask questions, and help others. 2. Leverage diverse perspectives. Different viewpoints lead to deeper understanding. Action. 1. Participate actively, share your ideas, ask questions, and help others. 2. Leverage diverse perspectives. Different viewpoints lead to deeper understanding.